Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a beginner looking to add some greenery to your space with ease, these big leaf houseplants that grow in just water are sure to impress. Monstera. Monstera is a tropical plant known for its large, perforated leaves. It looks stunning in a vase or jar of water, and with its big leaves, it adds a unique touch to any space. Pothos. Pothos is a popular choice for water-based houseplants. Its trailing vines and variegated foliage make it a perfect addition to any windowsill or hanging planter. Philodendron. This easy-to-grow houseplant genus features many amazing species with big and bold leaves. For example, Philodendron xanadu. Its striking appearance makes it an ideal centerpiece for any water-based display. DRACAENA. There are many DRACAENA varieties that you can try to grow in water as a growing medium. Aurelia. Aurelia is a great choice if you want a big leaf plant that's also really easy to maintain in water. It also makes for a great tabletop specimen. CORDYLINE. The colorful leaves of this plant look appealing in all types of vases. Just make sure the plant gets plenty of dappled light all day long. Chinese evergreen. This tropical plant boasts large, variegated leaves. The Chinese evergreen looks stunning in water, with its roots adding beauty to any display. Arrowhead plant. With its arrowhead-shaped leaves that can grow up to 6 to 10 inches long, it's a popular one on our list of big leaf houseplants that grow in just water. Elephant ear. As the name suggests, this plant features large, elephant ear-shaped leaves. The elephant ear looks stunning in a vase or jar of water, with its roots adding mesmerizing beauty. CALADIUM. CALADIUM is known for its large, heart-shaped leaves that come in a variety of colors, from white to pink to green. It looks stunning in vases of every type. Rubber plant. This plant is known for its large, glossy leaves that can grow up to 6 to 10 inches in length. The rubber plant looks stunning in a vase or jar of water. Fiddle leaf fig. This plant features large, violin-shaped leaves. Its elegant appearance and agility to thrive in water make it a popular choice for any room in need of a little natural beauty. Dumb cane. With its large, variegated leaves, the Dieffenbachia is a popular choice for water-based houseplants. Its ability to purify the air makes it a perfect addition to any space. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you come back for more. Thanks for watching.